welcome to Friday Craft Day. Hopefully you've listened to the story to Lick again, and today we're going to try and make an origami frog, and I have Evelyn, my excellent assistant, to help us. Now, you will need a square piece of paper. Don't worry, you can just cut a little bit off the bottom and make it into a square. Okay, there you go, Evelyn. It is very tricky, so you might need a grown-up to help you, but we're going to see how we go, aren't we? Yeah. Okay, so first of all, we're going to fold our paper up like this. And we're going to put it on the table and squish it down. Good work making it nice and even there. Okay, fluffy bits at the top, folded bits at the bottom. And then we're going to we're going to turn it this way, and I'm going to fold the corner down. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to do it on the table and I'm going to show you because it's a bit tricky. So I'm going to fold it and make a triangle so that it matches up with the side. So see, this is what I did. I folded it over so the edges match up, and then I squished it down. Good work. Then I'm going to open it up and I'm going to do the same thing but going the other way. So again, I'm going to fold it down. Okay, so it's like that. And then we open it back up and we have to turn it over. And I'm going to make a little rectangle at the top. So see where we've got that little point there? That's where we're going to fold it. Come down. Just like that. Okay, so see there was the little point. And I came down and I folded it. Good work. We open it back up. We turn it back over. And here is the super duper tricky part. So I'm going to make this fold in. I don't have to remember which way it goes, Evelyn. So, oh, here we go. So it comes down. All right, so here we go. And it has to fold itself in. See how those bits are folding? And then it goes down on the top. So it makes a triangle. There you go, everyone. Great work. Okay. So we've got that bit. That's pretty good. Okay, next. See this little pointy bit here? I'm going to fold it up. So it comes up into a little point like that. Yeah, that's it. Good work, Evelyn. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And it doesn't matter if they're not exactly the same. It doesn't have to be perfect. Yours looks better than mine. Good work. Okay, next thing, we're going to come to the bottom part here. And I'm going to fold it all the way up so the bottom touches where we just folded. And it's much easier to do it on the table. So it looks like that. Okay. And then we're going to fold the sides in. So I'm going to start on this side and I'm going to fold it over till it comes to the middle there. Just like, oh, it doesn't want to squish, it's being a bit annoying. It comes in like that. Alright, so see how it's matching up with that bit on the top? And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so it looks a bit like a little flower with its stem at the moment. Great job, Evelyn. All right, now the last bit is tricky because the paper's getting a bit thick, so it gets a bit tricky, all right? So we are going to fold it from the very bottom back up to that bit again, all right? Here we go. It's getting a bit tricky. There we are. So see how I folded it up? Had it there and I folded it up. Good work. Okay, now I'm going to unfold it again. And this time I'm going to try and fold it with these little bits pointing out the side. So it kind of goes like this. Hang on, there we go. Kind of have to fold it on itself so it points out the sides. Okay, see how those little bits are pointing out the sides now? Tell you what, Evelyn, you're doing a very good job. You're doing pretty close. All right. Now, you can just leave it like that, and there is your frog, and you can put some eyes on the top. If you think you're super duper awesome, you can put another little fold in it and try and make it jump. So this is how we do it. We fold all the way over the top, so it's super squished like this. And then we fold it back, which is very, very tricky with this thick paper. All right, and then we unroll it, and it will flick along the table, which you can't see because it's down there. Okay. Now, while you're making this, it's probably a good idea to pause the video at each one and make sure you folded it properly. I'm also going to put the original YouTube link on so you can see some proper instructions as well. All right, good luck.